ತದರಿ ನನ್ನ ಆ ಆ महागणपतिं श्रीमहागणपतिं श्रीमहागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् महादेवसुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रिय मूषिकवागनमोदकप्रिय महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रिय मूषिकवागनमोदकप्रिय महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दित महागणपतिम् सरिगमहागणपतिम् पनी सरिगमहागणपतिम् पामगामरि सरिगमहागणपतिम् पनी सरि स निनिपम सरिगमहागणपतिम्
of Akishetti Purnachandra Nageswarao garu and Vijayalakshmi garu, and granddaughter of Alladi Kumar garu and Alladi Swarnaratha garu. I would like to request Kumari Arabi Krishnan to come onto the stage, and she will explain about what Arangetram is, and then she will take us to the event and the agenda.
Hi everyone, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to everyone here today and to the chief guest that we have here today. Thank you for your presence. I'm going to be speaking a little bit about Bharatanatyam. So Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance forms that originated in Tamil Nadu. Ba stands for bhava, which means expression or emotion. Ra stands for raga, which refers to the music. Ta stands for the thalam, or rhythm. And Natyam stands for dance. So Bharatanatyam is a dance that encompasses music, rhythm, and facial expressions. A lot of you might be wondering what an Arangetram is and why it's so significant today. An Arangetram is a Sanskrit word that literally translates to ascending the stage. In the world of Bharatanatyam, It refers to the debut performance of a dancer. An Arangetram is a significant event in a dancer's life, as it doesn't mark the end, but just the beginning of their dance journey. It is a showcase of the dancer's years of culmination and hard work and dedication. So learning and completing an Arangetram is like touching one's feet in the ocean. We'd like to begin today's performance with the traditional Malari. Malari is an invocatory item that's usually performed at the start of a Bharatanatyam performance. It describes the music and dance as the main deity is taken on procession around the temple and brought back to the main sanctum. This is followed by a Dhyana Slokam, Angikam Bhuvanam, which describes the divine form of Lord Nataraja and Chidambaram Ganadesha Kalpam. This Kalpam is in praise of the cosmic dancer, Lord Nataraja, at his abode in Thillai. The Kalpam is set to Ragam Hamsadvani and Chatushra Ekathalam. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
di tum nam nam tum di ta kita ta 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 di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta kita taka ta 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 di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tum di ta kita taka ta ta di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom gina tom ta di tum nam nam tom di ta kita taka ta 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 di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum nam ta dingina tom ta di tum nam nam tom di ta kita taka ta 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 di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum ta dingina tom ta di tum nam nam tom di ta kita taka ta 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 di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom ta di tum nam nam tom di ta kita taka ta 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 di tum 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 nam 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 ta ta di tum tum nam nam ta dingina tom ta dingina tom ta dingina tom ta Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachikam Sarva Vamayam Chandra Tara शिवं शिवं शिवं
We hope you enjoyed that. We now move on to the next song, the Jatiswaram. The Jatiswaram is a rhythmic composition that is primarily focused on complex rhythmic patterns and intricate footwork. It is a technical performance without any expressed words, where the dancer presents the unity of music, rhythm, and movements. This Jatiswaram is set to Ragam Arabi, Talam Adi.
ಸಾ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ
ದಂಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಂಗಿಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ತಾಕು ದಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ಕಿಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಝಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಝಂ ಝಂ ತ ಕತಕ್ಕು ದಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ದಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ಕಿಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ತಕ್ಕ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಝಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ್ಟ ಝಂ ಝಂ ತೈ ತಾಕು ದಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ಝಂ ದಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ಕಿಣ್ಣಕ್ಕು ಝಂ ತ ಕಝಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಡದ ಕದರ ಕಡದುಂ ತ ಕಝಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಡದ ಕದರ ಕಡದುಂ ತ ಕಝಂ ತಕ್ಕ ದಿಕ್ಕು ಕಡದ ಕದರ ಕಡದುಂ
ಸಾ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸರಿ ದದ ಸ ಪ ಪದ ಮ ಮ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದದ ಪಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸಾ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ಸರಿ ಮ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ಮ ಮ ಪ ದ ಬ ದ ಬ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ಬ ದ ಬ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಬ ದ ಮ ಪ ದ ರಿ ಮ ಪ ಸ ರಿ ಮ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ಪ ದ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ಬ ಬ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ಸ ಸರಿ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಸರಿ ದ ದ ಸ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ಸ ಸರಿ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ಸ ಸ ಸ ಸರಿ ದ ದ ಸ ಪ ಪ ದ ದ ಸ ರಿ ಸ ಸ ನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಸ ನಿ ದ ಸರಿ ಮ ಪ ದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ಸ ಸನಿ ದ ದ ಪ ಪ ಮ ಗ ರಿ ರಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪ ದ ಸ.
The next item in this Bharatanatyam repertoire introduces abhinaya, or facial expressions. This item is known as Shabdam, and this song is in praise of Lord Krishna. Ayachariyar Arindidamalum Annai Thandayar Therindidamalum Neyar Gopiyar Nenjam Kavandida Mayavan Kurluduran. This describes the prank played by Lord Krishna, with all the gopikas following under the mesmerizing music of Lord Krishna. The next line of the song describes Krishna churning butter and the planks played by him. When the gopikas are churning the butter to milk, Krishna sneaks into their house unknown to others. He looks at the butter, steals it, and runs away, and then re-enters the house pretending innocence. This Shabdam is set to Ragamalika and Mishra Chapatalam.
குழலோதுர
மானினம் ஏதை மறந்திட்டு மாயவன் சுரும்பிரூட குழல்கள செய்திட சுந்தர முகம் துலங்கிட சுரும்பிரூட குழல்கள செய்திட சுந்தர முகம் துலங்கிட மருண மானினம் ஏதை மறந்திட மாயவன் குழலூர மருண மானினம் ஏதை மறந்திட மாயவன் குழலூர அழவாயன் குழலூதுவ அழவாயன் குழலூதுவ தவழவாயன் குழலூர ತದನದಂ ಜಣು ಜಣು ದೇವಿ ತದೋ ನನಗಿಟ ತರಿ ಮೇರೆ சிறுவிரல்கள் குழலை தழுவிட செங்கமல கண் சாய்த்திட உருவியவை ஆப்புருவம் நெருங்கிட கோமலன் குழலூர சிறுவிரல்கள் குழலை தழுவிட செங்கமல கண் சாய்த்திட உருவியவை ஆப்புருவம் நெருங்கிட கோமலன் குழலூர சிறுவிரல்கள் குழலை தழுவிட செங்கமல கண் சாய்த்திட உருவியவை ஆப்புருவம் நெருங்கிட கோமலன் குழலூர சிறுவிரல்கள் குழலை தழுவிட செங்கமல கண் சாய்த்திட உருவியவை ஆப்புருவம் நெருங்கிட கோமலன் குழலூர எங்கள் வாழும் குழலூர
கோபியர் செவி சாய்த்திட மோகம் கொண்டொளி வேகமாய் வர கண்ணனை தியானம் செய்கிறார் கண்ணனை தியானம் செய்கிறார் கண்ணனை தியானம்
The next performance is the Varnam. It is the centerpiece of an Arangetram performance, showcasing the dancer's mastery of the various aspects of Bharatanatyam, including rhythm, technique, expression, and typically features fast-paced footwork, intricate hand gestures, and expressive facial expressions. This Varnam describes the devotee or the heroine who travels from afar to see Lord Nataraja. When she arrives, the Lord is angry and turns away without acknowledging her. The heroine is heartbroken and pleads to the Lord not to be angry with her. Kopamu Chetura Swami Intha. This describes the heroine pleading to the Lord not to be angry with her, since she's traveled from afar to see him. This Varnam is set to Rupa Majuchi in Todi Ragam and Adi Talam. It is a dance choreography by Srimati Rukmani Devi Arundale, the founder of Kalakshetra. Thank you.
Bye. కిట తక తాం త కిట నక జం త రి కిట తక తాం తత కిట నక జం తరి కిట తక తత కిట నక జం తరి కిట తక తాం తత కిట నక జం తరి కిట తక తత కిట నక జం తరి కిట తక తాం తత కిట నక జం తరి కిట తక తత కిట నక జం తరి కిట తక తాం తత కిట నక జం తకు ధరి కిట తక తత కిట నక తక జం తకు ధరి కిట తక తక జం తక నం తక రుం తక ద తాం తత కిట తకిట దికిట త త కృతక తుం తాం తత కిట తకిట దికిట త త కృతక తుం తాం తత కిట తకిట దికిట ధళం కుత కృతక తుం
రూపము జోచి పచివ చిదిని 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 రూపము జోచి
ధళం కుతక దిక్కుతక తదింగిన తొం తటికి దింకుతక దిక్కుతక్కు ధళం కుతక తక దింకుతక తె దింకుతక్కు ధళం కుతక తటికి దింకుతా దింకుతా తకత దింకుతే దింకుతే తటికి దింకుతకత దింకుత దింకుత దిత్త కృతక తొం కృతక తొం కృతక తొం
రూపము జోచి పచివ
కుటక దిక్కుటక తదింగిన తోం తాం తకిట నక జం తకుందరి కిట తక తక కిట నక తక జం తకుందరి కిట తక తక జం తక నం తక రుం తక ది తాం తక కిట తకిట దికిట తక దిత్త తక తోం తాం తక కిట తకిట దికిట తక దిత్త తక తోం తాం తక కిట తకిట దికిట ధళం తక తక తోం
రూపము జోచి పచి తిని కోపము సేదురా స్వామి ఇంత 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 కోపము కోపము సేదురా స్వామి ఇంత కోపము సేదురా స్వామి ఇంత కోపము సేదురా స్వామి ఇంత కోపము సేదురా స్వామి ఇంత కోపము సేదురా
ధళం కుటక దిక్కుటక తదింగిన తోం తచ్చం తక జం తక తజం త ధి కృతక తోం తచ్చం తక జం తక తజం త ధి కృతక తోం తక తజం తక తనం తక తరుం తక తత దిత దిత కృతక తోం దిత దిత కృతక తోం దిత దిత కృతక తోం
కోపము సేదురా
ధళం కుటక దిక్కుటక తదింగిన తోం తాంది తాంది తక తోం తాంది తక తోం తాంది తక తక ది తాంది తక తోం తాంది తక తోం తాంది తక తాంది తాంది తక తాంది త తక తాంది తై తక్ తోం తాంది త తక తాంది తై తక్ తోం తాంది త తక తాంది తై తక్ తోం
కోపము సేదురా స్వామి ఇంత తాపత్రయహరుడై ఈ వేళ శ్రీతాపత్రయహరుడై ఈ వేళ శ్రీతాపత్రయహరుడై ఈ వేళ శ్రీతాపత్రయహరుడై ఈ
ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತಾಪತ್ರಯಗರುಡೈ ಈ ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತಾಪತ್ರಯ ತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಅರುಡೈ ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಗರುಡೈ ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಗರುಡೈ ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಗರುಡೈ ಈ ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಗರುಡೈ
ಧಣಂ ಕುತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕುತಕ ತದಿಂಡಿನ ತೊಂ ತಕ ತರಿ ತದಣ ತತ ಧಣ ತಜುಣು ತತ ಜುಣು ತದಿಮಿ ತದ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತರಿ ತದಣ ದಣ ತಜುಣು ಜುಣು ತದಿಮಿ ದಿಮಿ ತಕಿಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದಣ ತಕ ತಜ್ಜುಣು ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ಧರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತದ್ದಣ ತಜ್ಜುಣು ತದ್ದಣ ತಜ್ಜುಣು ಕೃತಕ ತರ್ಗತುಂ ಕೃತಕ ತರ್ಗತುಂ ಕೃತಕ ತರ್ಗತುಂ
ತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಗರುಡೈ ಈ
ದಿಕ್ಕುತಕ ತದಿಂಡಿನ ತೊಂ ತತ್ತ ಗದ್ದಿತ್ತ ತತಕದಿತ ತತಜ್ಜುಣು ತತ್ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕ ಗದ್ದಿತ್ತೈ ತತಕದಿತ ತತಜ್ಜುಣು ತತ್ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಗದ್ದಿತ್ತ ತತಜ್ಜುಣು ತದ್ಗದ್ದಿತ್ತ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ
ತಾಪತ್ರಯ ಅರುಡೈ ಈ ವೇಲಯು ಶ್ರೀತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದೇಮಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ 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 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದೇಮಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದೇಮಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದೇಮಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದೇಮಿ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ
ಧಣಂ ಕುತಕ ದಿಕ್ಕುತಕ తక తదింగిన తొం తాకు దణకు తక దణకు కిణకు కిణకు జుణుకు తక జుణుకు డిడికు తక తజం తజం త తరుం తక త గదిం తక తై తకిట తక తాకు దణకు తక దణకు కిణకు కిణకు జుణుకు తక జుణుకు డిడికు తక తజం తజం త తరుం తక త తరుం తక తై తకిట తక తాకు దణకు దణకు కిణకు కిణకు జుణుకు జుణుకు డిడికు తజం కిటకు తిరుగుతుం తజం కిటకు తిరుగుతుం తజం కిటకు తిరుగుతుం
త్యాగరాజ స్వామి
దళం కుటక దిక్కుటక తదింగిన తుం తోదుం దిం దుమికి తక తొహత్త తుం 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 కిటక తోదిమి తక తోదిన్నం తక్ తుం తదీను తుం తరుగుతుం తరుగుతుం తరుగుతుం
త్యాగరాజ స్వామి ఇదేమి త్యాగరాజ స్వామి గమ పగ మద పగ పమగరి సని ధని సి గమ ఇద గమ పగమ పగ మద పగ పమగరి సని ధని సి గమ నిద గమ పద పగ గమ గమ దద నిద నిద ని సరి గరి నిదమ గరి సాని సరి రూపముజు పూచి వచ్చి వచ్చి దీని గమ పగ మద పగ పమగరి సని ధని సి గమ నిద గమ పగమ పగ మద పగ పమగరి సని ధని సి గమ నిద గమ పద పగ గమ గమ దద నిద నిద ని సరి గరి నిదమ గరి సాని సరి రూపముజు పూచి పచి వచ్చి తిని కోపము సేదు రా ఏ వేళను నీ చరితములను నిందారు ప్రేమతో ఏ వేళను నీ చరితములను నిందారు ప్రేమతో సేవించి నీదు పరాక్రమములనే బాగు మీరగ కొనియాడి తిని ఏను నీ చరితములను నిందారు ప్రేమతో సేవించి నీదు పరాక్రమములనే బాగు మీరగ కొనియాడి తిని రూపము జూచి పచి వచ్చి కోపము సేగు కోటి సుందర కరమా కోటి సుందర కరమా కోటి సుందర కరమా కోటి ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ ಮ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗ ಮ ದ ಮ ಗರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಗ ಮ ರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಮಾರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಗರಡಮು ಸರು ಪರದು ಗರಡಮು ಸರು ಪರದು ಗರಡಮು ಸರು ಪರದು ಗರಡಮು ಸರು ಪರದು ಮಾರ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಮಾರ ಕೋಟಿ ಗಮದ ಪದ ಮಪಗದ ಗಮ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ನಿ ಸಗರಿ ಮಗನಿ ಧನಿ ನಿ ಧನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಗಮದ ಪದ ಮಪಗದ ಗಮ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ನಿ ಸಗರಿ ಮಗನಿ ಧನಿ ನಿ ಧನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಗಮ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕೋಟಿ సుమశరములచే మరి మిగులను నొకిలి పలపు నిలుపుట తరుణ తరుణ మిదిర సుమశరములచే మరి మిగులను నొకిలి పలపు నిలుపుట తరుణ తరుణ మిదిర సుమశరములచే మరి మిగులను నొకిలి పలపు నిలుపుట తరుణ తరుణ మిదిర సుమశరములచే మరి మిగులను నొకిలి పలపు నిలుపుట తరుణ తరుణ మిదిరమ కోటి సుందర కోటి సుందర నిద మమ మగ మగరి గరి సని ధని సరి ದ ಮಮ ದ ಮಗ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ನಿ ದ ಗಮ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ದ ಗಮ ದ ಮದ ನಿ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ಗರಿ ನಿ ಧನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಧನಿ ದ ಮಮ ದ ಮಗ ಗ ಮಗರಿ ರಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ನಿ ದ ಗಮ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ದ ಗಮ ಧನಿ ಮದ ನಿ ಸದನಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ಗರಿ ನಿ ಧನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ ಕಾರ ಮಾರ ಕೋಟಿ సారగును నీదు చరణాలయమే మానసమునుంచితిగా సరసుడా సారగును నీదు చరణాలయమే మానసమునుంచితిగా సరసుడా ఘనతర మగు వెలయు శ్రీ త్యాగేశ్వర చలమిగ వలదు వలదు బ్రోచుడ గరుదమా కోటి సుందర ಕಾರ తారగును నీదు చరణాలయమే మానసముంచితిగ సరసుడా ఘనతర మగు వెలయు శ్రీ త్యాగేశ్వర చలవిగ వలదు వలదు బ్రోచుడ గరుడమా కోటి సుందర ಕಾರ కోటి సుందర ಕಾರ కోటి సుందర ಕಾರ కోటి సుందర ಕಾರ కోటి సుందర
If you are wondering how many minutes you are captivated by that Varnam performance, that was 30 minutes. Give a round of applause to Lekhya, please.
Welcome back, everyone. Our next item for this performance is the Andal Kautham. In the village of Sri Viliputtur, a baby girl was discovered in the Tulsi garden of the head priest Vishnu Chitan. The young Andal grew into a lovely and graceful girl, dedicating her life to Lord Vishnu. This Kautham is set to the ragam Malayamarudam and Thalam Adi.
தகதனம் தரித கததடம் தகத கதத கத திமி திமித திமித ஜனுதாகதனம் தரி தகததடம் தகத கதத கத திமி திமித திமித ஜனுதாகதனம் தரி ததகதனம் தக தகத கத திமி திமித திமித ஜனுதாகதனம் தரி தகதனம் தக தகத கத திமி திமித திமித ஜனுதாகதனம் தரி ததகதனம் தக தகத கத திமி திமித திமித ஜனு
பில்லின கத்திகள் விஷ்ணு சித்தர் மகளாக வந்தட்டிது ஆடி பூர நாள்
வில்லினக சேர்த்திகள் விண்டு சேர்த்தர்மகளாக வந்த திரு ஆடி பூரணால் நகர்த்திகள் விண்டு சேர்த்தர்மகளாக வந்த திரு ஆடி பூரணால் தித்தா 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 கிடதகி துளசிவனம் தனிலே தித்தா 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 கிடதகி துளசிவனம் தனிலே தித்தா 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 கிடதகி துளசிவனம் தனிலே தித்தா 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 கிடதகி துளசிவனம் தனிலே
ஜம் ஜம் தக்கண்ண கண்ணம் தட்டித்தை திக்கு தக்க தும் கிட்ட தக்கி தும் கிட்ட தக்கி தும் கிட்ட தும் கிட்ட தக்கி தொன்ன கிட்ட கிட்ட தக்கி சுக்ரவார அவதாரமாகிய
ஜம் ஜம் ஜகண்ண கண்ணம் தனிதை திக்கு தக்க கிடதகி குடு கிடதகி துண கிடதகி சுக்ரவாரம் அவதாரமாகிய
ஜக்க கிண்ண நக்க ஜக்க தக்கிட்ட தக்கி திக்கிட்ட தக்கி கிட்ட தக்கி சங்கம் ஏந்திய திக்கிட்ட தக்கி திட்டி கிட்ட தக்கி கிட்ட தக்கி திக்கிரி அணிந்தவன்
ஜக்க கிண்ண நக்க ஜக்க தக்கிடதகி கிடதகி சங்கம் ஏந்திய திக்கிடதகி திரிகிடதகி கிடதகி திகிரி அணிந்தவன் தொங்கிடதகி கிடதகி ஜோதி ஞானமருள் நங்கிடதகி நனகிட நாமமாயிரம் வடபத்ரசயனர்க்கு சூடி கொடுத்த தாரி தரித்தகின ஜோஜம் பூமகளாகிய கோதை கௌதும் துங்கிடதகி கிடதகி ஜோதி ஞானமருள் நங்கிடதகி நனகிடதகி நாமமாயிரம் வடபத்ரசயனர்க்கு சூடி கொடுத்த தாரி தரித்தகின ஜோஜம் பூமகளாகிய கோதை கோதும் தத்தாரி குள்தரி தத்தாரி குள்தரி கிணகிணதாம் கிணகிணதை தத்தாரி குள்தரி தத்தாரி குள்தரி கிணகிணதாம் தகிணகிணதை தத்தாரி குள்தரி தத்தாரி குள்தரி கிணகிணதாம் தகிணகிணதை தத்தாரி குள்தரி தத்தாரி குள்தரி கிணகிணதாம் கிணகிணதை தாபுதி கூத்த கீட்ட துங்கிட தங்கி கிடதகதி தத தகத
The next song is a Kirtanam, Nagumomo Kanale, one of the many devotional songs written by Saint Tyagaraja in praise of Lord Rama. It is set to Ragam Aberi and Talam Adi.
సగమ పని సా సని దప మగరిని సా నగుమో ఓ మూగనలే నీ నా జాలి తెలిసి నగుమో ఓ మూగనలే నీ నా జాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవారాధ శ్రీ రఘువర నగుమో మూగనలేని తెలిసి నగరాజా నగరాజధర నీదు పరివారు లేయల నగరాజధర నీదు పరివారు లేల ఒగి బోధన చేసేవారలు దారే ఇడు తురాని నగుమో ఓ మూగనలేని నాజాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవారాధ శ్రీ రఘువరని నగుమో జగమేలే పరమాత్మ ఎవరితో పొరలిడుదు జగమేలే పరమాత్మ ఎవరితో పొరలిడుదు వగజు పకుతాళను నన్నేలు కోరా త్యాగరాజను నది నగుమో ఓ మూగనలేని నాజాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవారాధ శ్రీ రఘువరని నగుమో గమనిద పమగరిని సగమనగుమో నిసగమ పని సగరి నిసానిద మప గరి నిసగమనగుమో నిదప మగరి సని సగమ పగమ పని సమ మగ గరి నిద నిదప మప నిదప మగరి నిసగమనగుమో ఓ మూగనలేని నాజాలి తెలిసి నన్ను బ్రోవారాధ శ్రీ రఘువరని నగుమో
The Bharatanatyam repertoire comes to a vibrant conclusion with the Tilana. The Tilana is a joyful, swift, and energetic song with rhythmic patterns of footwork woven together. This Tilana is in praise of goddess Rajrajeshwari, set to Paras Ragam and Adi Talam. This will be followed by Mangalam, where the dancer thanks the Guru, the audience, and calls for blessings from everyone. We hope you've enjoyed the show so far.
ತನೂಂ ತನತದಿರನ ತನೂಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೂಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ಆದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ 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 ಹೃದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ಆದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ಹೃದೃತಾನಿ 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 ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ಆದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ಆದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ದೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತದಿರನ ಹೃದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋ ದನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋ ದನತ 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 ಧಿರನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರ ನಾದಿರನ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರ ನಾದಿರನ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರ ನಾದಿರನ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರ ನಾದಿರನ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರ ನಾದಿರನ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರ ನಾದಿರನ ತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರ ಧಿರ ನದೀಂ ತರೀಂ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ತನನ ಧಿರನಾ ಧಿರನಾ ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದಿನನ ಧಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದೀಂ ದೀತಾಂ ಕಿಡತಕ ಜೊಣತಕ ಕಿಡತಕ ಜೊಣತಕ ಕಿಡತಕ ಜೊಣತಕ ತನ್ನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾ ನಾದೃತಾನಿ ತುಂತ ಧೀರನಾದೃತನೋಂ ತನತ ಧಿರನಾ ರಾಮನಾದಪುರ ಬಾಲಕುಡೌ ಮುದುರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಭುನಿ ಅಭಿರಾಮಿ ದಯಮುಖ ರಕ್ಷೋ ಕುಮುವಾರಾಹಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ರಾಮನಾದಪುರ ಬಾಲಕುಡೌ ಮುದುರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಭುನಿ ಅಭಿರಾಮಿ ದಯಮುಖ ರಕ್ಷೋ ಕುಮುವಾರಾಹಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ತಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ನಿರಿಸಣಿ ತಗದಿಮಿ ತಕಜಂ ಕಮರಗ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ತಕತಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ನಿರಿಸಣಿ ತಗದಿಮಿ ತಕಜಂ ಗಮದಗ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ತಕತಜಂ ಜಂ ಮಗರಿ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ನಿದ ಪತಣ ಕರಿ ಸಮಗರಿ ಸನಿದ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೋಂ ತನ್ನು ತನತದಿರನ ಆರುದ್ರಧಾನಿ ತುಮ್ನ ಧೀರಣ ಧೃತನು ತನತದಿರನ ತನತದಿರನ ತನತದಿರನ.
రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం రూపములకు నిత్య జయ మంగళం.
You guests and the teacher and the parents on the stage. Before that, I'll give a wee introduction about the teacher and the counselor. First of all, another big round of applause for Lekia, please. So I would like to do a wee introduction to Radhakrishna Garu. Radhakrishna Garu, she's a doctor and also a director of Tandom School of Dance and Music. She is a custodian of tradition, grace, and artistic excellence. With a profound understanding of classical art, she has nurtured countless talents, including Kumari Lekia here, from the V steps to the grand stage like this. Affectionately called Auntie by her students, she teaches them not just to dance, but to express, emote, and connect deeply with the audience, how our Lekia did today. Radhagar influence doesn't just extend to classes or teaching nuances in movements, but also shaping dances into ambassadors of culture and tradition in the various parts of the world. Radhagaru is known for a commitment to excellence and belief in her students' potential. I've seen yesterday Lekia here. She was performing. I think she has everything. She knows all the steps. She knows everything. But she was just a bit anxious, I think. But then Radhagar was like, you know everything. All you just need to do is smile and perform. And that's how a teacher should be. And a great applause to her to stand with her in every journey. Radhagaru is a revered personality in Bharatanatyam, an acclaimed performer herself, a choreographer, and a master artist of the Kalakshetra style of Bharatanatyam. Dr. Radhagaru graced landmark venues, major dance festivals in India, Singapore, Seychelles, Scotland, and UK over the past 3 decades with her captivating performances. Radhagaru's artistic journey has made her a pioneering cultural ambassador of Bharatanatyam in Scotland and with her Tandom School of Dance and Music. Her dedication in promoting arts have earned her awards from prestigious institutions such as Glasgow Tamil Art and Cultural Centre and our own Telugu Association of Scotland. She has received titles like Nritya Ranjani from the Shankarabaranam and Kalamundi Trust in Chennai and Abhinaya Nartaki from the Chidambaram Devasthanam at the Natyanjali Dance Festival. Please. And in 2019, she was named Woman of the Year by the Scotland Telugu Women's Association for her contributions to Indian arts and culture. And I would like to invite Radhakrishna Garu onto the stage and share a few words about Lekya as well. And also Arabi Krishna Garu, another teacher from the Tandem School of Dance and Music. Come to the stage, please. And I would like to invite Councillor Scott Arthur Garu. Scott Arthur is the current Councillor of Edinburgh Southwest. He was elected to the City of Edinburgh Council in 2017 and appointed as Transport and Environment Committee Convener. And he is the Chair of Transport in Edinburgh. Outside City of Edinburgh Council work, Scott is a civil engineer profession with interest in sustainability, and Scott has a keen interest in promoting arts and cultures of various communities around Edinburgh. Now I would like to invite two proud parents, Kalyan Garu and Sirsha Garu. And everyone know how Sirisha Garu and Kalyan Garu pulled this off for the past 2-3 months. She was messaging everyone, and I was surprised there was not just a group message for everyone, put everyone in a group. So she made sure she sent the message to each and everyone through personally, and that's just great, you know. And also, there is a African saying which says, you know, it takes a village to raise a child, you know. So I think the whole village is here to witness the performance of Lekya and, you know, bring her, make her debut performance in Arangetram. Big round of applause to the audience as well. Apologies if I was saying anything wrong or mistakenly, and I would like to say a few words from Radha Garu about the journey of Lekya.
Thank you. Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Lekya's journey into dance. She's just beginning her journey. Thank you, Scott, for being here with us. And I know you wouldn't understand a lot of what was going on, but it must have been very colorful and very loud and, you know, very rhythmic. So those of you who know dancing, you know that it starts off when they are at a very, I think Lekya came and joined us when she was probably 6 years. And it's been like 7 years. She's been learning a lot. Very dedicated child. In the last year and a half, she's actually grown up to be blossomed into a very beautiful young dancer. She has a lot of potential, and she's put her mind and time into it to perform and to learn. As you can see what she has performed today, the biggest requirements from a dancer is to remember all of those different songs, remember the sequences, remember the rhythm that goes into it. And as many of you are familiar, classical Bharatanatyam and most of our classical dance repertoire is steeped in rhythm. There is no dance without rhythm, you know. And every time the dancer has to dance, she needs to remember the number of counts, the number of rhythms, when to start and when to stop. And that itself is a huge task for a small child to remember. So she's done a very good job. A great applause to her again. Absolutely brilliant. Whenever I speak about dance on stage, I always talk about one of the age-old saying, Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Without Mata and Pita, none of us are here. Without my parents, without my mother who initiated the dance school here in Scotland, it was my mother who started the whole tradition here, I wouldn't be standing here in front of you all. Unfortunately, she's back home in India and she's watching us. So thank you, Mom, for all that you have done to bring us to where we are. And she's passed on her best wishes to saying that Lekya is a sparkle, you know, an angel who was dancing here today. And Mata and Pita for Lekya, Kalyan and Sirisha, have been absolutely brilliant. They've gone through this whole, it is not easy to bring up the child to this level, to take her to classes every day, multiple classes. You know, the weekends are about parents taking their routine of running from one class to the other. And in the last 6 to 8 months, I think Sirisha has herself become a dancer and a dance teacher. She has learned all the songs herself and been with Lekia when she was practicing. And I understand that mother and daughter had many a strong word exchanged between them to say who was right. And of course, mom is always right. Yes, I do agree as well. So, but you could see all the culmination of what Lekia brought in today was an outcome of all the hard work and effort. And Kalyan is a silent person behind the scene, taking all the instructions, where to go, how to do, how many steps to go right, how many steps to go left, to be able to bring us to this place. So without Lekia, without your parents, you're nowhere here. Always be very thankful to them. And as a teacher, without the support from our parents, we cannot do what we are doing here. So thank you so much, Sirisha and Kalyan. Thank you for everything. There's been another silent person today doing all of this very quietly behind the scene and on the scene today as well, R.B. Krishnan. I know we didn't speak about her much today. I can't say too much about my own daughter. It's a conflict of interest, I suppose. But I do have to say a few words. R.B. is a dancer herself, and she's been teaching Lekia and spurring her and cleaning her up whenever I was unable to take time. She spent a lot of time to bring Lekia to where she is today. So I have to thank R.B. for all her time and effort and for inculcating all of her efforts into dancing and guiding Lekia today as well. And like to call upon R.B. to give Lekia her graduation certificate for dancing today. Thank you. Arangetram is a graduation into dancing, into the journey of dance. And this is almost like she has completed her 8 long years of learning. And now she is ready to embark upon a full-fledged dancing journey in her life. I do hope she does not stop dancing and she continues. So thank you once again, everyone. I'd like to invite Scott to say a few words.
This has been a very different afternoon for me, but a very, very good one, actually. And it's a good break from campaigning for the election, I have to say. Absolutely fantastic. But it's good to see voters here as well, so maybe we can talk a little bit of politics later. But I was so impressed by Lekia, and I learned she's only 13, I think, is that right? Absolutely incredible to have the memory to remember all those dance moves for 2 hours. I was so impressed. And the 2 hours for me went past really quickly because I really enjoyed it. I think she's a fantastic ambassador for your community here and also for your culture. Well done. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. It's been great to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Scott. I would like to ask Sirisha to say a few words about this journey or just to thank. I'm sorry to put you on the spot.
But thanks, Jane. I was
Can you just please join her, please? Just you could
థ్యాంక్స్ అండి అందరూ వచ్చినందుకు. సో ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ మా అమ్మాయి శిరీష అయితే బిహైండ్ ది స్క్రీన్ నేను. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ శిరీష అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ లేఖ్యా. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you, everyone.
Can I request Sirisha Garu to present the gift to Radhakrishna Garu, please? Yeah. Hello, Hridya. And another, I don't know, should I reveal what the gift is? But Adya, can you please come and present it to the auntie? Okay, and I think I would like to put Lekya on spot, unfortunately, but fortunately. Lekya would like to say a few words, please. How did you feel it?
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, and thank you everyone for coming here and viewing Lekya's event. And I have also to thank Jane because I've asked him the very last minute and he volunteered to do this. And he's so spontaneous. And thank you so much, Jane. This is a big gift for you.
Thank you very much. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for coming to the event. And thank you Radhakrishna Garu and teacher Aravi Krishna Garu for making her journey lovable and making her debut performance. And I was reading somewhere that Lekya, this is not the finish of Bharatanatyam. This is like a start of another chapter in your life in the journey of Bharatanatyam. And thank you Scott Arthur Garu for coming to the event in the busy schedule. We wish whatever you wish for. And a big round of applause to Sirisha Garu and Kalyan Garu. It may be a Telugu thing to say this, but Adya next nuve, So, and yeah. Just take a small break for 5 minutes and then